Okay, so this is what I have so far. It will probably narrow down once I like put it all in a suitcase, but for now this is what we got. Here I have my winter stuff and then a raincoat, just one, and then a blazer, a couple of sweaters. For now I have 9 dresses, and then because I mainly wear dresses, so I actually need that many. And then I don't have many basics, but I packed like all my basic shirts. So these are all like white, black tube top things. And then here, these are like 4 turtlenecks, and then I think 6 like nicer shirts that aren't so basic. And then 1 pair of sweatpants, and then these are like comfy one pieces and t-shirts to wear like loungewear. This is so far what I have for PJs. I'll definitely be adding more. And then I have 5 skirts, and I really wanted to bring more, but I tried to keep that slim. And then I have, I believe, 7 pairs of pants. And I definitely need to narrow down the shoes more, but so far I have Doc Martens, because it says everywhere to bring like 1 pair of boots, so I'd have that. And then I have 2 pairs of sandals, 1 slide, and then 1 with a heel. And then I have my chunky white tennis shoes, my Adidas Nevas, and basically like 2 pairs of loafers and 2 more sandals. So far that's all I have, and what I have left is like PJs and I'm trying to think what else. Oh, like workout clothes. And I think that might be it in terms of clothing. So I still have exactly a week until I leave. So this week I'm gonna like start packing these away. I need to look at the measurements that are required for my bag and stuff. Once I finish setting everything aside, I'll do one last like run through of everything and take some things out probably, because even though I'm going for 5 months, like I'm really trying to go light so that I can buy stuff there. But yeah, I'll probably do one last run through, take a bunch of stuff out, and then fit it all in the suitcase, and then we'll be on the way.